Here I got some pictures assembled for this compilation. New York Subway, continuing with a Harry Potter slogan on it. Really looks nice. And then I got some old retro pictures as well, fall into this compilation. John Horgan's old classic pictures from different part of BC where some of the railway no longer running, or Canadian Pacific Railway used to run passenger service to their side back in the day. So it's a mixed compilation, a little historical stuff.